In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check so you can be heard clearly in huddles and calls without the guesswork. First, let's confirm Slack is actually listening to the right device. Open Slack, go to Preferences, then Audio and Video. Look for the microphone drop-down and select the device you want, like your USB microphone, headset, or built-in mic. Use Slack's test feature here to record a quick sample and play it back. If you don't hear your voice, try another option in the list. If you see multiple entries with similar names, pick the one that matches how your mic is connected, and avoid options labeled as virtual or system devices unless you know you need them. Next, check your device permissions. Your operating system can block apps from using the mic entirely. On Windows, open Settings, then Privacy and Security, and Microphone. Make sure microphone access is on and that Slack is allowed. On Mac OS, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, then Microphone, and ensure Slack is enabled. If you use Slack in a web browser, also confirm the site has permission to use your microphone in the browser's site settings. Now, make sure you're not muted anywhere. In Slack, look for the mic icon during a huddle or call and confirm it isn't crossed out. Then check your computer's input mute and input volume. Some keyboards have a mic mute key, and many headsets have an inline mute switch or button. Flip that off and watch for any indicator lights. If it still isn't working, restart Slack completely. Quit the app so it's not running in the background, then reopen it. On mobile, force close the app and launch it again. If the issue persists, restart your computer or phone. A fresh start often frees up the microphone from any processes that are stuck. After that, update Slack to the latest version. On desktop, use the Slack menu to check for updates, or reinstall from the official source if needed. On mobile, update through your App Store. Updates include fixes that can resolve audio glitches. Finally, close other apps that might be using your mic, like Zoom, Teams, Google Meet tabs, or voice recorders. Only one app can reliably control the mic at a time, and those background apps can quietly hold onto it. Most Slack audio problems come down to the wrong mic selected or missing permissions. Work through these checks, and you should be back to clear, reliable audio in no time.